Hello and welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to be showing off a few of the new features that are going to be in CorelDRAW version 5. And as you can see at the top, our menu has changed a little bit, our menu button layout. But I'll be getting that in a minute. The first feature that I want to show off in CorelDRAW version 5 is this new feature right here called Smart Create. And this was a feature that had been requested by several of our customers, and we decided to go ahead and implement it in this next version. So what this Smart Create is, it looks at the objects that are in the first column, and if you see here I have a small c, capital C, and then the word circle typed out. And then it creates the object associated with that over on the side. So if I go up here and I click the Smart Create, you can see that it creates a graph with all three of the circles on it that I had selected. Now, something else that is going to be added in to CorelDRAW version 5 is the ability to rotate this graph just by clicking and dragging. So as you can see right here, I click down and I drug across the map or across the drawing and it rotated it. This is a feature, again, added in CorelDRAW version 5. And if I go over here to the 3D graph orientation, which is right here, this will also bring up our measurements that we are using as far as the rotations and things. And there is one more feature that I would like to show off. So if I deselect the grid option right here, this was in our previous versions and it showed the dimensions and things like that inside of Excel. If I deselect that, I can actually see right here the rotations of it. It rotates a lot smoother. I can also add in the axis arm so I can better see which direction I'm rotating it, things like that. But there is another feature that we added in recently, and that is called the ground layer. So if I select the ground layer, I now have a nice orientation as to where the ground layer is on my drawing. So yeah, those are the three new features that I wanted to show off in this video. Smart Create, the ability to rotate in live time with the graph, and the ground layer. Now, I will be covering more in-depth features with this rotation because you also have the ability to zoom in and zoom out, things like that. So zooming in, zooming out. You have all those availabilities. I will be covering all that in a different video. Thank you all very much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all of Great Tech videos and releases. Thank you all very much, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.